Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my financial abundance binder where I have 12 saving challenges that I am saving for sinking funds. Let's get started. All right. I do want to share with you guys. So I don't know if I want to. Because I love my dice tower, but I did make these cards here. They are 1 through 12. And so we got this queen here. We have this queen. Let me find a different one. So we got that one. We got this queen here. And then we have your choice. Cute. So I could use these or my dice tower. Which one? Should we just use these today? Yeah, let's use these today. And then we'll see how things go. All right. And I just do this as random. I just gonna pick a card and go to that savings challenge and put that money towards that sinking fund. All right. Are you guys good? Let me see. I need to move some stuff out the way. Is that better or too off frame? All right. All right, let's get to going. So first card, look at that. Your choice. Let's go to, I don't know. That's when I'm going to roll a die. And I rolled a 12-sided die for 5 because I hate making choices. I can't get it together. So we have the Thrifter Sewist. Oh my goodness. Yes, we get to play this one. And I have, these are the dice that came with the scratch off here. And then I'm just going to put it in this black bag here so it can just be random of which die I get. And we're going to do this one. Oh, put the pink one back in there. So we got blue here. So we are going to the blue card, which is here. And let's roll this die to see which one we're scratching. And we're going to 3. All right, that is $6. Not too bad. So $6. All right, so $6. And I put the pink die in here for that would be for the bonus. So $6. Let me get the 6, 5, and 6. All right, let's put that in there. Put that back. All right, next card is going to 9. So let's go to 9. Hold on, let me. Got so much stuff everywhere. Oh, let me just move that back. Do that like that. There we go. So let's go to 9. All right, we got the crafty awareness. All right, let's see. Where are we going to scratch? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. So if you haven't seen my last video, so what you do is when you order this challenge from the Crafty Awareness, you can personalize it and put whatever you want underneath the scratch off here. And I picked the denominations between 1 and 10. I don't know how much it is all together. And as I save the money, whatever scratch offs is left will get the money. Hope that was right. So memberships won't get the money, and that's $8. So 5, 6, 7, and 8. Sorry, memberships. All right, next we are going to 11. 11 is, oh, I forgot the cards. Oh my goodness. Well, if I get to that, I got to get up and get the cards. So we are doing Liz and Les. And we got the penguins, the party poopers. So let's save a penguin. Let's go with it. The highest. Let's go with 9 today. Let's do this fella here. Let's put him right, or should we put him over here? Or should I fill it? I put him here. See, I told you decisions. So $9. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect for our party pooper penguins. We got to get them in the mood to party with us. Oh, let me set that back out here. All right. And I think oh goodness. This video, you guys gotta work with me because I'm just all over the place. 6. It's like when you change up your routine, you get kind of like confused and everything. So 6 is Reynolds budget. And it's this scratch off here. Cheers to a bright new year. Let's see, where are we going to scratch? Oops, I forgot to put this die back in there. So we are going to, so let's do 1, 2. Do 1 on this side. So $5. All right, $5. All right, next card. Oh, 6 again. So let's do this again. 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's $1. And this is a mystery save. So $1. Perfect. Next card, we going to 1. And this is Budget with Carly. Come on out. All right. And let's see, this says $50 for 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is a 7. So let's see, 5, 6, and 7. All right, another card. 9. I'm having so much fun with this. All right, back to 9. All right, so let's see which one we are going to scratch and which one is not getting the money. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, $10 debt. Yay. I would hate for debt to get all the money. So $10. Oh, I think I'm gonna order another one from her because it's so much fun. I think I am. So $10. Did I put the? Oh, I don't just. Oh no, let me take it out. So I was gonna count it up with you guys, but I don't know. I might just put it all back in there. All right. We got 11. Back to the party poopers. All right, let's get a penguin a hat here for $5. Get a little party hat. All right. Put your little hat right there. So that is $5. And let me take out the $9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, all right. Hot mess coming on through per usual. All right, next card. And if you guys are interested in these cards, let me know. I think I'm gonna put them on Kofi anyway for free, because guess what? This month is my birthday month. Yes, it is Capricorns for life. And as a gift and a thank you from me to you, I think I will put these on my Kofi for free for you guys. So go snatch out those freebies. So we are going to 10. Oh, we got dreamy budgets. All right. So we got our cute little dominoes right here. And we are going to mix them up and then just pick one. Boom. All right. This one was a freebie. So let's go. Let me roll. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Oh, girl. $10. So we got $10 right there. Love that. And like I said, that's from Dreamy Budgets. Let's put those in there so I won't lose them. Next one, we are going to 5. Which one is 5? Watch this, the one that I don't have. Oh, no. Okay. I'm about to say I don't have the cards over here. So we are going back to Thrifty Sewers. Let's grab and see which color we're going to. And pick one. Red. So let's get the red card. See, where's the red one? That's this one. And then let's roll that die here. We got 1. Here we go. And that is $5. Perfect. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. I only got $4 left. Now, this gonna be. What shall I do? It depends on the next card I pull. $4. Do I have anything? Most of these are mystery saves. Most of these are a mystery. And I don't know. And I forgot to print off my catch-all that I got from Stuff and Budget. Let's see. Oh, I don't know. Let's see. Is there a penguin for $4? And it ain't. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot about this one from Reynolds Budget that I don't know what happened last video. Cause I was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Girl, what were you getting 6 at? I don't know. So I'm just gonna put the last $4 into this one right here. So let's cross off a 4. Let's just do that one here. Boom, $4 saved. Let's see what card was next. Ooh, that 8 was next. I don't even know which one was 8. But let me count and let you guys know how much each one got. That was a good, I think I'm satisfied with $70. I might, 8 was budget with Carly. Ew. She can get a little spicy here and there. But let me, because I got money flying everywhere. All right. Let me know if you guys enjoy this. Do you like the dice or do you like the cards? I think I like both. So I'm going to go back and forth. I like both. But like I said, be looking out for these on my Kofi. All right. Oh, and if I didn't already share with you guys, can't remember, I did create this nice little sinking fund list. So each envelope, this is what the sinking funds they will go to. So yay! You see, I had to add Gem City on there because my Etsy spending. We need to boost that up because your girl went kind of crazy for the new year, but it's okay. All right, so number one from Budget with Carly today got $5, $6, $7. I won't count the total. Oh, we didn't get to do Bookish Mama budget. We didn't get to do Stuff in budget. I was about to say something else. We didn't get to do. I still don't know. Is it Keely Creations? I'm just gonna say Nicole. Thrift is Sewers got $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, $11. We got Reynolds Budget here, got $6. We didn't do the Humble Budgeter today, but she's in there. Budget with Carly. Didn't get anything on for that one. This one, the Crafty Awareness, got $10, $15, $16, $17, $18. That one is so much fun. Look at me already. I said, oh, let me go buy another one from her. Dreamy Budgets got $10. Liz and Les, our little penguins there, got 10, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14 for our penguins. Oh, they're so cute. I just love how I did his hat. That's why he a party pooper, because we messing with him. So next from this Reynolds Budget got $4. So I said not too bad, not too bad. All right, gems. That was fun while it lasted. Now I gotta get off here and edit some videos. But oh, I just love this. What do you guys think? Should I start selling binder charms? Let me know. I have so much fun creating these. Oh, and I created my daughter a bag charm and a phone charm. So cute. So cute. All right, gems, that is it. And my financial abundance binder. Oh, this mug is getting thick already. But thank you so much, everyone, for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel. And if you already subscribed, share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.